Can guys make money on OnlyFans? So what is going on? Welcome back to my channel. So today I am going over if men can actually make money on OF. I get this question so many times, people reaching out to me on Instagram, and I'm thinking of joining, but I'm a guy. Is it really something that I can get into, and if I can make money? So that is what I'm going to be going over today. I'm going to be answering that question. And then I'm also going to be giving you some realistic expectations. So make sure you stay all the way until the end of the video to get all of the information, because not just realistic expectations, but also how you are going to be able to work it out as a guy on the platform to be able to make money. Okay. But before we get started, make sure you subscribe down below, or at least just give the video a thumbs up, because it absolutely helps the channel. And if you are already on OF and you are looking for help, reach out to me on Instagram. My direct Instagram link is always in the video description down below for your convenience. I have one-to-one coaching and mentoring. I have promotional services, social media management services, page audits, and so much more. So reach out there. So now let's get into it right away. The first thing I want to say is, yes, as a guy, you can make money on OnlyFans. It is feasible for men to make money on OF. But there is a few things that kind of play in with all of this, in the sense of if you can really make a lot of money, if you can make this into a long-term thing, and really just, I guess, your mindset about the whole kind of thing. So the first thing I want to say is, if you are looking to be only a solo male content creator on OF, the first thing you are going to need to understand and kind of, I guess, accept in a sense, and I'm air quoting this because some people, it really doesn't matter to them, and I don't feel as it should, but everyone has their preference, that a lot of your fans, if you are going to be a solo male creator, will be other male fans. They are going to be other men that will be subscribing to your page if you are a solo male content creator. Now, some clients I've had that they're okay with that. They don't mind that at all. And there is other clients that kind of didn't know how they felt about it. So that is why this is kind of the first thing that I mention when I'm making this video, because that's one thing that you really have to consider if you are going to be a solo male content creator. Now, if you are going to be a solo male content creator, but you know that you are going to be making content with girls, so you're going to be doing boy-girl content, then and not necessarily know, but there is more of a chance to make more money, I guess, but also your fan base would then be more men that are interested in women and boy-girl content, as opposed to just men that are only or strictly into men content. Now, if you are a male content creator and you are making content with another male, then you absolutely are going to be able to get that fan base of a male audience. So that is still something that you are able to do. But these are the kind of different dynamics on how you would go about what you would be doing on your page. Either way, yes, you can make money depending on what you're doing on your page. If you're a solo male content creator, or if you are not going to be a solo male content creator, it just, again, there was those few factors that I really wanted to just kind of touch on, in the sense of what to expect from the beginning, and if you would be, in a sense, okay with it. Because again, after 5 years of being on the platform and helping male and female clients and models on the platform, these are questions that I did get from a lot of my male clients, and things that I needed to explain to them so they understood what route they would go with, in their business itself. Now let's get into actually making money on the platform as a male content creator. So during my coaching calls, all of my coaching calls are always structured the same way. Because if you've been watching any of my videos, you know that I make it very well known to you guys that this is a business, okay? So the business model and the business structure is still going to be the same whether you are a male content creator or you are a female content creator. You still should be running and managing your page the same exact way. But I'm going to give you a few tips on this video right now on how you can make more money on your page outside of just a subscription price, which I do want to touch on real quick before I get into other ways to make money, because unfortunately, a lot of people just think that the way that they're going to make money is just from a subscription price. And again, if you have watched any of my other videos, you know that I say and tell you guys this is not true. You can make money with a free page and you can also make money with a subscription page. So I just want to make sure that you understand that whichever route you decide to take is obviously a personal choice that you are going to make within your business. But with a free page, especially if you guys are starting from zero, especially if you guys do not have any following at all, I always recommend starting with a free page. And the reason for this is what I call like a numbers game. With a free page, you know you're going to get way more people through the door than you will with a subscription, okay? With a free page, you know you could get anywhere from 20 to 100 fans continuously all the time because the page is free, as opposed to having a subscription price. And on average, let's say you got 50 fans that came in through a free page on average, and this is just an average, guys, but just giving you realistic expectations. If you were to have a subscription price, you possibly would only have maybe 2 to 5 actual paid subscribers out of those 50 of a free page, especially when you are starting from scratch. You are starting from zero with no followers at all. So I always recommend starting with a free page. Now, how can you make money with a free page? First of all, that page should be optimized right away, okay? On a free page, you have the capabilities to lock wall posts, only on a free page. So what this does is it gives you extra ways to make money on your page while all of these free people are coming onto the page. They get onto your page, they see some of your content that is not going to be exclusive content, and then your exclusive content is what would be locked on your wall for a price. Now, this gives you the opportunity for them to unlock that content and for you to be making money on your page. The secondary thing, but this is even for a free page and a paid page, but especially for a free page because you're not giving any more things away for free because you are a free page, excuse me, your welcome message should be set up automatically and with exclusive locked content, okay? You are never going to put a free picture of yourself and then, hey, thanks for subscribing. This is a business. You need to treat it as such, and you want to make sure that every step of the way on your page is optimized. So you are going to have locked exclusive content on your welcome message. Now, realistic expectations that I give my one-to-one coaching clients. That does not mean that every single fan that is going to come onto your page is going to unlock all your wall posts and is going to unlock your welcome message. Okay, a normal conversion rate is anywhere from 1 to 7%. Okay, you have to, again, think of this as a business, and these fans are customers. Think about your own consuming habits, right? You walk into a store, you walked around like, I didn't really like anything, you walked out. It's the same exact thing. Or you go into a store, they have a sale going on, something's going on, something enticed you, and you end up buying a whole bunch of stuff. It's the same exact concept. So you have to keep that in mind. But again, on those free pages, it's a numbers game where you're getting way more people through the door to be able to convert them for sales, okay? Now, after this is PPVs. I'm sure many of you have heard this. If you have not, a PPV is a pay-per-view message. It's pay-per-view content. Basically, exactly what your welcome message is and what your locked posts on your wall is, those are technically still considered PPVs as well. But for main PPVs, you will be sending those out via mass DMs. And again, this is exclusive content that your fans will not see in your welcome message and they will not see on your wall post, okay? All this content needs to be different, all right? So you got to start making content, creating content, and stacking up that content. For PPVs, it's going to be something more exclusive than a welcome message or a wall post that you send out in a mass DM. And for a lot of you, because I've had so many clients that were even seasoned clients that were on the platform for like 6 months or more, didn't even know they had the capabilities for sending out mass DMs. So I'm going to tell you what I tell everyone else and all of my viewers and my one-to-one coaching clients. After this call, like I'm talking to my coaching clients, after this video, I want you to go through your entire OF page from top to bottom, back to front, okay? I can't understand why we are not doing this, but I can understand because it's a mindset shift. You have to understand, again, this is a business. If you were to open up a restaurant, like a mom and pop, a brick and mortar shop, you're not going to open up a restaurant and not use every single stove and refrigerator that is in that restaurant. It's the same exact concept. You need to go through that entire sidebar to see exactly what resources and tools you have to help you out in your business. After that, you're going to go through the settings. And if you don't even know where your welcome message is, it's in your settings, in your chats, and you will see where you have to toggle on for your welcome message and set it up. Everything on OF, and it's why I recommend it even more than Fanvue, it is very well laid out. I don't know why I'm air quoting, very well laid out, and it is very user friendly. Everything is very much the same. Okay, I can't think of the word right now in English. Sorry guys, I speak different languages, but everything on the platform is very unified. There you go. I think that's a good word. If you want to make a post, there's a plus sign. If you want to add to your stories, there's a plus sign. If you want to send a mass DM, there's a plus sign, okay? So everything is uniform on the platform as soon as you start getting acquainted with it. And then when you're making a post and you're sending out DMs, there's a whole icon bar on the bottom of the posts and DMs. You should be literally clicking every single thing to see what it is and what it does. This is your business. You should make sure that you are utilizing everything to its full potential, because that is how you can make your most money on the platform. Now, outside of PPVs, there is other services that you can offer to make money on the platform. And yes, even as a male creator on OnlyFans, you could still make money doing these tips. That is live streaming. There is live streaming capabilities on the platform. You should be utilizing that, okay? Another thing, if you are comfortable with it, because video calls right now has been up and coming for the last couple of years, is offering video calls. Now, in my one-to-one coaching, I go deep dive into this and I will help you with pricing and everything else if you need deeper help into that. But video calls is something, if you are willing to do that and that's something of a service you want to offer, then that is an extra avenue to make money. But please, any of these things that I am telling you, you never do anything before you get your money, okay? So if somebody wants to do a video call, you are going to get that money first, and then you will continue on with the services. And another thing, please keep your private and personal information safe. Number one, OF does not want us in their TOS, which is terms of service. They do not want us giving out personal information. So you're not going to give your real phone number. You're not going to be giving out personal information to the fans. You are going to either use Skype, maybe your Instagram video chat, a Snapchat video, but you are not going to be giving out personal information for your own safety and for the safety of your account, so you don't put it at risk, because once you are banned on OF, you will literally be banned for a lifetime. So you absolutely want to keep everything safe. Now, after this is what we call the chatter. So chatter is in the DMs. In the DMs, connecting with your fans and being able to send them more locked content while you are conversating with them is the number one way how us high earning models make money on the platform. So many of, I literally just had somebody, one of my subscribers on Instagram, because if you subscribe to me on Instagram, I personally answer some of your questions. So I just had one of my subscribers ask me a question. She has a free page and there's just one fan that, is kind of a freeloader and a time waster. And it happens, guys. And she wanted to put a price on her DMs because he was annoying her and, he's asking for stuff for free. You do not want to do this. In the DMs is where you connect with your fans. Again, your fans are your customers. And in actual sales and marketing, I've been an online entrepreneur now for 8 years. You need at least anywhere from 5 to 7 interactions with a customer before they decide to make a sale, to make a purchase, and you make a sale. So you have to understand that just because they came to your page, they liked what they saw, that doesn't mean that they're automatically going to start buying everything. They're just not going to get onto your page and start spending money. Now, that doesn't mean that there is fans that will not do that. And on OF, we actually call them whales because they come and they spout, they rain money out of their spouts. Okay. We love whales, but unfortunately, or sometimes whales are like unicorns. So in between, they are going to be just a regular consumer, a regular client. So you need to make sure that you are connecting with them, you are starting conversation with them, and then you are able to, what we call on OF, milk and drain those fans in the chatter through the DMs by sending them more exclusive locked content. So if you guys want any more help on this, absolutely reach out to me on IG. I do one-to-one coaching clients with guy male creators all the time. I am here to help you guys out. Until next time.